The upper body features an array of reactive plating which provides protection to any incoming attacks. The T-171 is powered by a powerful lithium-ion battery housed within the body's frame. This fulfills any electrical needs. Paired with dual fans, this ensures smooth performance, making it a destruction machine in a class of its own.
The lower torso consists of many pistons. This allows the robot to achieve full range of motion. This also allows the robot to perform powerful jumps and kicks. This power can transfer to its punches for maximum damage delivery.
The robotic arm consists of two parts, each protected by armor. A lot of gears are added between the arms to ensure that the punching is carried out smoothly. The small arm contains a thrust engine to enhance the speed of the punch.
The motion of the arms is primarily driven by hydraulics, with the rocket-powered fists enabling additional punching power. The rocket uses hydrogen and oxygen combustion, utilizing the same technology as space rockets. Encased in deflective plating, T-171 packs quite a punch.
With the leg, our team focused on aesthetics rather than adding complex, sophisticated features like we did with the hip. With the help of the power and advanced surfacing, specifically with the help of spline and projected curve, our team was able to achieve truly incredible results. So if you look at the leg from front, back, or any of two sides, you can clearly see that the robot's leg very nicely resembles the shape of a human leg.